Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing superb. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY GLAM bag. And I wanted to show you guys, it's for September, and this is the bag that it arrived in. I get there's the IPSY bag, and then there's the IPSY GLAM Plus, and then there's the IPSY Ultimate, and I get the intermediate one. The other one I think is like $50 a month. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below so you can see the pricing. But like I said, I got the medium one because I do want full size products. So I kind of peeked already a little bit, just cheated a little bit. But I wanted to show you guys what I got. I got these two masks. Skin mask from Star Skin, and one is a firming cellulose face mask, and the other one is a foaming peeling puff. So they each have different steps. You know, you apply serums, and this one you I think it's more like it's an exfoliator. It's got a little puff here that I can see, that little round puff. So I will try these out and let you know what I think. I also got this bronzing kit. It's a skin bronzing base sunlit glow bronzer and brush duo. That's a tongue twister. So apply silk bronze base with Yenza silk bronzer brush for a natural contoured look on forehead, cheekbones, and jaw. Bring down onto the chest by applying at the décolletage for a natural tan. So it's a lightweight silk cream bronzer, leaves skin with a natural, healthy, and sun-kissed glow. Slims features by defining contours. Powered by 8 Super Blacks Essence. I'm gonna have to do more research on that one. Moisturizes skin with superfoods. I like that. Wear alone or over foundation. Can be used on the body or décolletage. Apply with silk bronzer brush for an even blended finish. And I looked into this, and it looks almost like the Chanel bronzing bronzer, but the Chanel bronzer is like $50, $55. It's pretty expensive, but this one reminds me a lot. Even the color is very, very close to the Chanel one. And then it comes with this little brush here. It comes with the little Yenza brush silk bronzer, and then it smells really nice. Kind of smells a little bit like the Chanel one. So you kind of bronze the edge, outer perimeter of the face. Kind of gives you a little bit of, I did an all-day wear test, so my foundation is not looking that great. I've had it on for 8 hours. I will link that wear test, all-day wear test up here so you guys can see it if you're interested. But that's why, if it looks a little funky around my nose, that's why, because I've been wearing it for 8 hours. I don't even know. Now I put now I put bronzer on my nose. Oh well. Anyway, and then what else is in here? Then we have the Space Case Cosmetics Quad, and this looks like it's vegan and cruelty free, but I can't, I opened it a while ago. I can't figure out if it's a highlighter or just what do you call it, or if it's shimmers for the eyes. But it's still a nice product. As you can see, it's got some nice so either way, I guess you could use it as a highlighter or shimmers for your eyes. So probably be nice. Look at me applying everything that comes in the bag. So I can't figure it out. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. I've never heard of Space Case Cosmetics. It's a quad. That's why I kind of like these bags, because you kind of end up finding new products that you've never heard of and trying them out. So yeah, I've never heard of this one, Yenza, before either. So none of these products I haven't heard of. So that's kind of neat. I have heard of, though, Ofra. This is the Ofra. This is an Ofra. Oh, an Ofra really tight lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. Yeah, even my lips are falling apart too. Literally the end of the day. But I wanted to unbox this with you guys, since we're already almost at the end of September. but it didn't come that long ago. I think it arrived a little bit later in the month. Arrived last week or so, about a week ago, something like that. And then there is from Wander Beauty. There is a highline eyeliner, liquid liner. This is what it looks like, but it's a nice eyeliner, and I've been wearing it kind of the same amount of time, like all day. So it's a nice eyeliner. It looks like it does have some staying some staying power, because like I said, I've been wearing it all day, and so far it looks good. I don't have any raccoon eyes going on, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, and it's got a little bit ASMR for you. Got a little like bead in there to shake the product up. So it looks like my glam bag is the Glam Bag Plus, and includes 5 full-size products. There is over $120 in products in it, and the retail is for $25 a month. So I wanted to try it. Maybe eventually I'll try the Ultimate. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you are signed up for it, which one do you have, and do you enjoy it? And of course, I will be reviewing the one for October, and we'll see what's in there. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new beauty video. And don't forget to stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.